Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to restore any file from a recycle bin. So open recycle bin. So here you will see a list of files. So if you need to restore any file, right click on that file and just you have to click on restore. Now close, so you will see your file is restored. Like this, first delete, open recycle bin. So you will find, if you need to search, so click here and search your file from here. And also you can sort by date or original location. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.